planner people. It's your girl Erica with Erica Makes Plans. And yes, I know. It has been a long time. But y'all, this year, 2023, it has kicked me. I'm ready for it to go. Like, I cannot wait for 2024 to get here. I just hope, like, I won't bore you with the details, but let's just say that nobody else, like none of y'all, hear me? If you're within the sound of my voice, you're not allowed to die. Okay, now that we have that straight. Um, yeah. So I'm trying to ease back into this YouTube thing. And I was gonna do a what the heck did I buy on Black Friday? But I bought a lot of stuff, y'all. like, like I lost my damn mind. I don't know if I was trying to, I don't know if it was retail therapy or what was going on. I did buy a lot of stuff that I needed. Um, but planner wise and anyway, it's a lot of stuff. It would have been a very long video, so I just decided I'm just going to show you guys what I got as they come in. So, this came in today, and it is from Studio Bliss Co. Now, that's so cute. I already opened the envelope, but I didn't open the contents, as you can see. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Studio Bliss Co., Life with Nia here on YouTube, and I believe she's also got Life with Nia on Instagram. But she's a planner and a budgeter, and this is her shop. And I've been wanting to order from her for quite some time. Because, and you'll see why, because her stuff is just gorgeous. And, like, honestly, I could have spent, and probably would have, because she had I believe it was 40% off sale for Black Friday. And I could have spent, even with 40% off, I could have spent hundreds of dollars in her shop if I had just decided to get everything that caught my eye. But I had to be prudent because, as I said, I was ordering from a lot of different places, and I did not want to completely blow the budget. And as it was, I managed to stay within budget. But anyway, this is the card, Studio Bliss Co., her information, and then, oh, I think I can show you guys this code, because this code, I think, is also on her website, so she's not having a sale. You can save $10, and there's her Instagram information, if you can see that, Studio Bliss Co., and Life with Nia. Anyway, so there's that, and there's a invoice that's in this envelope as well. Here, I'm going to show you. Let me just make sure my address and stuff isn't showing. But she even put like a little personalized note here and a sticker. So little stuff like that just makes my heart happy, as it were. So these are the freebies that I got, which was these wax seals. It's 2 of them with a snowflake. I don't know if you can see the snowflake. It's probably got glare, but see how she packed. See, I love stuff like that. Like, everything is just packaged well. see. So, okay, I don't want to take them off the card. But yeah, so that's what they look like. So cute. So cute. I keep telling myself I'm going to get into wax seals for no other reason than because I like to put them on cards and things. So I actually have the wax, and I think I might even have the wax melter thing. But no, I have the wax and I have the stamps. I need the melter. I just haven't gotten it. It's not like I won't, but yeah. So anyway, those are cute. This is another, this came as a freebie from my order, as did this. And it's almost like a little kit. It's almost like the order is a kit, and that's cute because she has like Studio Bliss co-sale, so I can put that for, I can use that for her next sale. I love that. And then these are some smaller scripts than these, but they still kind of go with everything. And then these boxes, I'm trying to make sure you guys can see these boxes, and how cute are they? Okay, and then I got this doll, and I'm going to show you the doll because this is the only doll I got, and she also kind of matches this kit, right? But how cute. But this is the only doll that I got. I mean, she has a lot of really nice dolls. If you're a doll person, please check out Studio Bliss Co. And no, I'm not on her PR team or anything like that. I just like her stuff. So these are the things that I went with because, okay, so I got this. I didn't get like a full kit, but I got the full boxes. As you know, my main planner is an A5, and that's what I'd be using these in. So anyway, I got the full boxes, and I got I guess these boxes, deco boxes, and some washi strips to go with it. But how cute is that, right? Look at that detail. Just look at that. So, I'll be using this kit probably next week because I like it that much. Let's see. And then I got this full box sheet. It didn't have, I didn't see washi with it, but I liked it so much I had to have it, and I'll just make it do what it do. I started to get this kit in Hobonichi cousin size, which is what this is. The only reason I didn't is because of how the washi was laid out on the Hobonichi cousin kit. Like this and this were the same, and then this and this were the same. And I mean, I could have made that work, but I figured I'd have more flexibility like this. Like I like it like this, where all like the short washis, not the short washis, the thin washi strips are the same, and the thick washi strips are the same. But anyway, so here's another kit that I got. I think this one is called Boho, but I got this in the Hobonichi cousin size because I use an A5, so it's just easier. And then this goes with it. Look at those scripts. You can see them. Okay. And then the next thing I got, and I love this kit. It's like an old Hollywood. I mean, like, look at her. That's just stunning. And yeah, I don't know when I'm going to use this kit, but I'm going to use this kit, and it came with the washi strips, the boxes, and all that. Okay. And then, and yes, I know we're just about done with fall, but look at those colors. I didn't want to risk her not having this next year. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see? Look at that. Anyway, I just absolutely love it. So that's what I got at Studio Bliss Co. Three Hobonichi Cousin kits. This full boxes, this full box and washi, and then all of these freebies came with it. So anyway, that's my Studio Bliss Co. haul. Tomorrow, Planner Kate. Big one. So anyway, hope you enjoyed my haul. I hope you'll go to Studio Bliss Co. Let Nia know that I sent you. Also subscribe to her channel, Shop with Nia. And hey, if you're not subscribed to mine, subscribe to mine so you can see what the heck else I'm going to spend like all my money on. But, well, not all my money because, you know, we're out here trying to budget as well. But anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, a fantastic week, and hopefully an uneventful, fantastic rest of your year. And I'll talk to you next time. I'm out of here.